Hey, Joe Fay here, and yes, the answer to the question on the header of this video, will it run? Yeah, it runs. Sorry for the clickbait, but I think this will be a fun video to watch. What I've done now is put together a montage of a whole bunch of videos that span about 15 years of getting this car ready. So why don't we take a look at the montage, and then after the montage I'll post a video of what this thing is looking like today and what the plans are for it. Enjoy the video. This is the 1960 Ford Galaxy Starliner Coupe. I purchased way back in 2010. Came out of New Mexico. As a matter of fact, came out of Roswell, New Mexico. where we have all the aliens stashed away. In any event, I love this rocket ship space age body style, the bubble rear window, hardtop style, the bat wings on the back. But we made a lot of changes to this car. It came, as you can tell from the video, it was solid except for a significant surface rust. Equipped with the 352 V8 two-barrel. It does move pretty well. What we did though, if you kind of take a peek here, you can see we lowered this baby. We lowered her about 3 inches. No bags. This is all done through parts catalog, buying springs. The gingerbread was removed. A significant amount of chrome was taken off. So we took off the washboards, put on the skirts, threw on the 2 1/4 inch Firestone white walls with the 57 Plymouth hubcaps. All of this was done in an attempt to go for a early 60s era custom car look. If you notice on the front, we made a major change here. We put on a Meteor Mount Com grill, and for those who aren't aware, there was a Ford division up in Canada, the Meteor division, and Meteors were sold at Mercury dealers up in Canada. We also changed out the front bumper, and we put on a 1960 Edsel bumper. So we went with an OEM look, but most Ford connoisseurs typically don't even recognize what this car actually is. You get another clean look on the side here. In the back, we also went with the Meteor Edsel theme. So we have the Meteor valance, which is a 3 light valance, similar to what you'd see on a Chevrolet Impala. The Meteor initially had a middle backup light, but I went for 3 solid lights. And again, like the front, we put in a 60 Edsel rear bumper. So with the combination of the beautiful Starliner body and the Meteor and Edsel parts, the dechroming and the lowering, this makes for a pretty solid looking car. The interior has been adapted as well. We actually went with the Meteor dashboard, and you can see here the Meteor Mount Com logo on the glove box and the little Meteor maple leaves from Canada on the on the steering wheel. The interior is actually 62 Galaxy 2-door hardtop. I really like the red and white combination with the silver Mylar fabric. Again, just a striking compliment to the exterior black and red exterior. This is basically my my go-to car from March to about October. I drive this car year-round. Typically don't drive it in the rain, and we'll do some more videos with this. We're going to take this on the Hot Rod Power Tour this coming June. Thanks for watching the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for all the support on the Dodge video we did earlier this year. I was shocked at the amount of views and feedback. Maybe we can keep it going with some other videos, whether it be car videos or found on the street videos of automobiles we find around town, or even extended trips like Power Tour or car shows. I'm here in Toledo, Ohio, not far from Detroit, so we can do some things at Woodward. We can go to the various car shows like the Ypsilanti Orphan Car Show, but a lot of fun up here in the Detroit metropolitan area. So keep a lookout. We'll have more videos. Thanks again.